How to add signature in Outlook app, or you can say in Outlook web app. So I'm going to show you this video. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Outlook web app and I just open it. So now if I want to add, in order to add signature, you have to click on this setting icon, which is, you can see this gear icon. Click on it. Now go to the view all settings, which is, you can see on bottom. Now go to the mail, which is second option, and in mail just scroll down. Okay, go to the mail and now you have to click compose and reply option. Click on it and here you can see you can add the new signature. This is your signature. Okay, so you can make like default signature. You have to select the signature. Okay, so create on, tap on new signature and give the name like whatever you want. I just give the NetCast demo. This is signature name. It will be not appearing in signature. So here you have to select create signature. So just enter your all content. Okay, you can add logo also. You can click on this insert picture and you can insert the logo. Okay, I just download one logo. Okay, 1 second. Okay, just click on it, image, and find out the logo. Okay, I can select the jpg file or whatever, and the logo has been selected. You can resize like holding the any corner and you can resize it. You can bold your text like this. Okay, you can change the color also, text color from here. There is a link, you can insert link on your text. Click on link, but first you have to select the text, then click on link, and here you can enter the any link what you want. Okay, so I hope now you can save. You can use a default signature. Like for new message you can first you have to create. Okay, I have to save it first. So it has been selected. Okay, it is selected. Now I can select the for new messages signature. You can create multiple signature from here. Okay, and you can for reply also you can select signature. Now save it. It will be saved now. It is saved. Go back. If I create new message, you can see the signature has been, appear here. Okay, you can, if you have multiple signature, you can insert from here. Just click on three dot and you can insert any other signature which you have created. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.